Do you want to know how you can log into your JM Financial Mutual Fund account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your account in JM Financial. So, go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for JM Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of JM Financial Mutual Fund. So, you can see login on the top right hand corner. Click on it and there are two types of login: investor and partner. If you click on investor, this page will open up. Go ahead and click continue. Now you can log in using your user ID or your email address. So write down your user ID or email address in this box. Write down your password in the another one and then you can check your password. You can see that you can check the password by clicking on this eye icon. Make sure your user ID and your password are correct and then click sign in. This way you can sign in to your JM Financial Mutual Fund account. You can also sign in using PAN number, so go ahead and click it, write down your PAN number, your password and then click sign in. This way you can sign in using your PAN number in JM Financial as well. If you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. Now talking about login in as partner, go ahead and click login, go ahead and click partner and then this page will open up. Go ahead and write down your user ID in this box. Write down the OTP sent to you on your email or your phone number in this box over here and then click submit OTP. This way you can log into your JM Financial as a partner. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention this on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.